Any prayers for listing, you give it to the court master. As far as practicable, shall be adjusted.
Much obliged. May please your lordship, prayer for adjournment, item number 30.
Yes, why?
Why my senior is out of station due to medical treatment.
As prayed for by Mr.
A. Malik,
A. Malik on the ground that the conducting counsel, Mr.
F.A. Lashkar.
F.A. Lashkar, is outstation due to a medical treatment. Relist. Give a date after 3 weeks on such and such date. Yes, next.
May I plead the lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item number 53, my lord. I am for the health department, my lord.
Yes,
This
Mr.
matter
Warren.
we have not received instruction. I have taken consent.
Item
from the
number?
53 supplementary list, my lord. I have taken consent from the petitioner side also. It may be taken up after 4 weeks, my lord.
Mr. Patwari has given
Yes,
consent.
my lord. Yes, my lord. I have taken his.
As prayed for by Mr. D. Bora, learned standing counsel held with consent from the other side, relist on such and such date after 2 weeks.
After 4 weeks, my lord.
3. Give a date.
Actually, some other developments are going.
We will see, Mr. Bora. We are not adjourning it for 4 weeks.
Yes.
Yes, next.
May it
Obliged.
please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 52 for withdrawal, your lordship.
52.
Yes, your lordship.
Your name?
S. Sarkar, on behalf of ML Gopik.
Anybody from finance taxation is here? Yes, Ms. Barwa?
We are informed.
Just be there otherwise. In item 52, you're right. MS,
S. Sarkar on behalf of ML Gopik.
you give me your name first. S. Sarkar. Heard MS S. Sarkar, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of MSN Gope, ML Gope, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard
For
MSR Barwa, Learned Counsel for Finance and Taxation. Are you a standing counsel?
No, Lordship. On behalf of Mr.
It's all right. It's all right. MS so-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has given instruction not to press the instant writ petition and accordingly seeks withdrawal of the same. Prayer is allowed. Matter stands dismissed on being withdrawn. Yes, next.
May it please, my lord. Prayer seeking upgradation in the matter, my lord.
Upgradation.
My lord,
Why?
my lord, second half I have to go for a medical treatment of my family member, my lord. If it
We'll see how, what is your item number?
35, my lord.
35. You wait to reach Nokore before by 12:30, 12:40, then remind me.
I'm deeply obliged.
Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 33, lordship. We have taken consent from the Zoll board and they have filed affidavit in opposition. We will file the rejoinder, lordship.
Item number?
33, lordship.
You want to file a rejoinder?
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
Petitioner, lordship.
As prayed for by Mr.
U.S. Bora.
U.S.
You, lordship.
U.S. Barwa.
Bora.
Bora Learned Counsel for the petitioner relist after 3 weeks to enable the petitioner file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the Jal board.
Lordship.
Respondent Jal board.
Obliged.
Give a date, huh? Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 44. Lordship has already taken the consent from the other side. This matter may be passed for the day, lordship. 44, lordship.
As prayed for by MS M. Nirola, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks. A date will be given, huh?
Yes, yes.
Yes, next.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. I beg to mention item number 26, your lordship. Lordship, actually, we have lost the communication with our party. So we are trying to establish communication.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, your lordship.
It's a 2017 matter. It's a very old matter.
Yes, lordship. Actually,
And I don't think you have filed your reply till date. Have
actually,
you
lordship,
filed your reply?
No, lordship. We have lost our communication. We have been trying to establish our communication with
How are you trying to establish your communications?
lordship. We are trying to contact the party through different means.
Through different means. What kind of means?
Lordship, through different kind of communication. I mean, we are
Yeah, we've been hearing about the different mode of communication. I just want to know
Through
what
what?
are these different kind of
through
communications?
WhatsApp, phone calls.
So why that is taking time? If you have the contact number, you just have to inform the client.
Lordship, actually, we are not getting a reply back from the client.
What kind of reply?
Actually, how to go ahead with the matter, Lordship.
I'm giving you a time, but this is going to be the last chance. After this, we are not going to accommodate you on the same ground.
Highly obliged.
It is up to you how you want to pursue this case. It's a 2017 matter. It is for regularization of services.
I understand.
And it appears that you have still not filed your rejoinder.
Understand.
So this can't go on like this.
Understand.
Your name?
A. Bharadwaj on behalf of P. Mahantas.
Even P. Mohanta's name I don't find. Is item 20?
26, Your Lordship.
26. Oh, this is, sorry, this is not the regularization. This is the recovery proceeding.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr.
A. Bharadwaj.
A. Bharadwaj, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Mohanta, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Anyone there for CGC? Deenath or Gupta? You're there? Also heard Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Government Counsel, Learned CGC. Stop. Mr. So-and-so submits that due to the old age of the case, the petitioner, the office of the Learned Counsel, Mr. P. Mahanta, has lost contact of his client and accordingly are trying to re-establish the contact and seeks a short accommodation. As a last chance, the matter since posted after 2 weeks at the date on such and such date, after which no adjournment on the same ground shall be accommodated. It is expected by the next date of listing, the petitioner, the Learned Counsels appearing for the petitioner shall obtain the necessary instructions in the matter. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes, please call the list.
For withdrawal, item number 1.
Heard Mr. A.R. Tahilptar, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard anyone there? I think Mr. Roy, you can be there. Also heard Mr. S.K. Roy, Learned CGC. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has received instructions from the client not to press the instant writ petition and accordingly seeks withdrawal of the same. Prayer is allowed. Writ petition stands dismissed on being withdrawn. Next.
Obliged.
Item 2.
Any interim was there? Interim,
Yes,
if
yes.
any, shall stand vacated. Yes, withdrawal.
Withdrawal.
Your name?
PK Bordeloi, Lordship.
Heard Mr. P.K. Bordeloi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. H.R. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing for the APGCL. Appearing for the respondent APGCL. And Mr. B.J. Mukherjee, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 5 and 6. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Here, ketai likhi diba. All right, done. Any interim? No. Promotion, this is. Yes.
One motion, item number 3.
Yes, Mr. Roy.
My lord, pursuant to this, pursuant to order dated 26/7/2024, my lord. My lord, notice has not been issued, my lord. Then a similar order has been passed, my lord, in other requisition also, my lord. And in
Yes,
that-
what do you want to show from here, Mr. Roy?
My lord, in this case, my lord, I have filed an additional affidavit bringing on record the order passed in the review petition as well as the writ petition.
No, but what is that you want to show? What benefit do you want to take from this order?
This four matter may be tagged with this matter, my lord.
So for that, why do you have to unnecessarily show me this order? You just simply want these matters to be tagged with this.
Yes, sir.
Any objection?
Notice has not been issued in this matter, Lordship.
But why
And there is a
it's
writ-
not been issued
There
till
is a
date?
writ appeal pending, Lordship. Similar.
No writ appeal, my lord. My lord, kindly see order dated, my lord.
And-
The writ appeal has been withdrawn on 24th
No,
July.
thereafter, he has preferred a review petition that has been dismissed. Now he has challenged that order and on the last day, that is 9/1/2000.
Which order has been challenged?
That review petition dismissal order.
In the division bench?
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship.
It has been now challenged before where? Supreme Court,
No, division.
Then-
Division bench.
division bench.
My lord,
Lordship, it was lastly listed on 9/1/2026, wherein the delay has been.
Anyway, I think we can issue notice and get them, all these matters listed along with this matter. Huh, Mr. Dhar?
My lord.
They are seeking for, they are, I think, challenging the report of the medical board for reassessment of disability.
also the
Right.
non-issuance of
At this moment, my prayer will, my lord may issue notice. only notice, my lord. Let this come, my lord, separate.
Why, why?
Because, my lord, we will send this, we will get instruction and those are fixed. Ketla fixed होतील?
Now, on what ground, Mr. Roy, have you challenged this report? There was not a proper assessment because you see, you are before a writ court. So your, the review would be limited, isn't it?
Yes,
An expert body must have gone through it.
my lord, may I submit, my lord? My lord, when the writ petition was dismissed, my lord, that without issuance of the notice and without considering the rights and entitlement in the RPWD Act, my lord. And my lord, I preferred the appeal, my lord, against that dismissal. And Honorable Division Bench was of the view that the what you submitted here, you submit the before the Honorable Single Judge. So I filed the review petition. And in review petition, my lord, I argued on the RPWD Act, my lord. And my lord submitted to Supreme
All
Court.
right, I'm issuing notice right now. How many matters? Item number 3 to
6. my lord.
3 to 6. Okay, type belek belek ke didi. But heard Mr. S.K. Roy, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
My lord, I'm appearing for one.
Mr.
two,
R.
and-
Dhar, Learned Standing Counsel.
Yes, my lord, 1 and 2, my lord.
Learned Standing Counsel, what department is health?
No, my lord, 1 and 2, my lord. Respond.
Social Justice.
No, my lord, this is,
Learned
1 is
Counsel.
Chief Secretary, my lord.
Okay, 1 and 2.
Two.
Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number 1 and 2. Yes, and then
Lordship, I am appearing for force,
Mr.
the Upamanyu, force.
D. Upamanyu, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number
4, 7 and 8. Lordship.
4, 7
And 8.
and 8. Yes, 3. Social Justice. MS. So and so for respondent number 3. And Ms. Barua? 6. What about 7? And 7 and 8?
Okay, 7 Lordship, I am appearing, 7 and 8.
And 8 Medical Board?
Yes, Lordship, I am appearing.
So,
And
okay.
for 5 Lordship.
Okay, by way of
B.
this,
Chaudhary.
huh?
For 5 B. Chaudhary appear. Mr. B. SLRC.
Okay, B. Chaudhary for 5. By way of the instant writ petition, the petitioner is seeking, is assailing the medical report given by the Medical Board GMCH in exercise for reassessment of disability. Stop. Issue notice. So and so, so and so, so and so, except Corridia, returnable, give a date after 2 weeks, returnable on so and so.
And my lord, non-issuance of my appointment letter.
It's
Non-issuance.
okay, inter alia Corridiba. Extra copies are to be served within a period of 3 days from today. Yes,
Well, send. 3 to 6 send. Obliged.
I hope the arraignment of respondents are same. Just in case there is any change of arraignment of respondents, please indicate it to the court master.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will create a trouble. Ms. Baru, I'm giving you that responsibility. Yes.
Item 7.
In this case, I have received instruction. ma'am.
Instructions received.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're going to file your, all right, Mr.
Yes, Bhattacharya, CGC.
Mr. P.S. Bhattacharya, Learned CGC submits that he has received instructions in the matter and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of return. Prayer is allowed, relist after so and so.
Lordship, there is an interim order.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, it's a pension matter. Where is Mr. Sodial?
Yeah, please, the Lord.
Hmm. Yes, who's appearing for the respondents? Accountant General, P. Nayak. Yes. Since when have you not received your pensions?
Actually, AG is required.
So what
there is a
happened?
communication from us to the AG.
The extra copies will be served.
Who's appearing for the Accountant General? Mr. Talukdar, Standing Counsel?
Yeah, Lordship, he's on the way. He's.
All right, I'll have it after some time. Yes.
Item 9.
Hmm. Yes,
May it please, yes, your lordship.
family pension.
Lordship, the petitioners before your lordship are minors. They are represented by their grandmother, your lordship. They are aggrieved by non-payment of compassionate family pension, your lordship. This is the second round of litigation, your lordship.
Why it has not been paid? Whose notice issued?
Uh,
Notice
No.
has not been issued
No.
till now.
Lordship, the earlier writ petition is already disposed of.
Where is that order?
Order is at page number 31, your lordship. And page 31, your lordship, annexure 13.
Yes,
The operative part is on page number 34, your lordship.
yes.
In view of the above and as agreed by the learned counsel for both the sides, the writ petition is being disposed of by directing the concerned authorities to verify the claim of the petitioners as well as the bona fide interest of the guardian, that is the grandmother, and thereafter pass appropriate order for release of compassionate family pension in favor of the writ petitioners without insisting on any written NOC from the respondent number 8. In doing so, the competent authority may also pass any other order that may be deemed fit and proper so as to ensure that the interest of the two minor children are effectively protected, not only for the present, but also till such time they attain majority. The grandmother of the petitioner, who claim to be their natural guardian and the next friend, shall render all necessary cooperation in that regard with the above.
What happened after this order?
Lordship, we have filed a representation for compliance of this order, your lordship.
Yes.
And after filing of our representation, there was a communication from the Director of Health Services.
Yes.
Then the
Where, which page?
the communication is on page number 37, your lordship. That
This was after you filed your representation.
and after we file our representation, your lordship, that we have to file an affidavit before the magistrate regarding the guardianship.
But the order said not to be insisted or something, no?
Lordship, that is the respondent number 8 is the mother of the petitioner, your lordship.
Oh.
After taking all the pensionary benefits, she married another person and went to
So the order said not to insist on any written NOC.
from the mother. Respondent number 8 is the mother of the minor children, your lordship. And the
Yes, now why this affidavit is not filed by you?
I have filed the affidavit, your lordship. It is on page number 38.
Yes.
Uh,
Then,
even after filing of the affidavit, your lordship, actually after the filing of the affidavit, the Director of Health Services again filed a fresh proposal for NPS death claim, and it is pending in the office of the Director of Accounts and Treasuries, Kar Bhavan, Dispur. Page 41, your lordship.
fresh proposal.
Lordship.
Now this is also done.
This is pending, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Upamanyu.
This is by the finance department, Lordship, but anyways,
No, I am not concerned.
yes, Lord.
I am only concerned which one of you respondent is going to now answer. Because this is going on. The litigant already had an order from this court way back on 8/4/2025, almost a positive order. Despite that, till date, the reality is that this compassionate family pension has not
No.
been released.
Lordship, I'll get the instruction.
No, these are not matters to be taken so lightly. And these are not matters where you will throw it on each other department. You all have a responsibility. You have to do it together. I'm making it very clear to all the learned counsels appearing in this matter, and I'm posting this matter on Thursday for instruction.
Thursday.
Am I clear?
Yes, Lord.
Yes. This heard MS
F. Hussain, your lordship.
F. Hussain, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. By way of this writ petition, comma, the petitioner is seeking release of compassionate family pension full stop. It appears that earlier the petitioner, by filing WPC 2411 of 2024, had sought similar relief before this court, wherein this court, by order dated 8/4/2025, was pleased to direct the concerned authorities to verify the claim of the petitioners as well as bona fide interest of the guardian, i.e. the grandmother, and thereafter pass appropriate order for release of compassionate family pension in favor of the writ petitioners without insisting on any written NOC from the respondent number 8 within bracket mother of the minor children. Stop. Now, in this case, petitioner was the grandmother in the earlier one. And there it says petitioner. So how many petitioners? Grandfather and grandmother.
So, Your Lordship, the minor children are represented by their grandmother.
Then hey, upor likhe diba, then petitioners represented, minor children's represented by their grandmother. It appears that upon a representation being filed thereafter, the respondent authorities by communication dated 2/6/2025 sought an affidavit from the petitioner grandmother, which was accordingly given on 10/6/2025. However, despite the petitioner fulfilling all the formalities, the respondent insisted submission of fresh proposal for NPS death cum family pension. MS so-and-so submits that the fresh proposal is now pending before
The Director of Accounts and
the
Treasury,
Director of
Accounts and Treasury,
Accounts and Treasury,
Assam,
Assam,
Kar Bhavan,
Kar Bhavan,
Dispur, Guwahati 6.
this for Guwahati 6. Stop. The matter pertains to non-payment of compensatory family pension to the minor children of the deceased employee. Stop. The respondents shall issue notice, returnable date to Diok. I'll make it next Monday, returnable on such and such date, Monday date Diok. Respondents extra copies within the course of the day. Give it today only.
Lordship.
Monday is a holiday.
Yes.
26. Monday is 26. Okay, Tuesday.
Lordship.
No, I am not taking it to that far. But you get your instructions. What affidavits will you all file in this matter? Please tell me. Correct. I want the instructions only, and on that basis, I am giving the directions. These matters cannot be kept pending in the court. Tuesday, give the Tuesday's date. It is needless to be clarified that the requisite instructions stroke return shall be positively filed on the returnable date.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
I've said you'll get it within the course of the day.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Not, I applied for my constable post my lord in Central Armed Police Forces, my lord, but during medical test, my lord, my candidate.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
During my lord, medical test, my lord, my candidature was rejected.
Rejected.
Yes, my lord. And then, my
On
lord,
medical ground.
yes, my lord, on, my lord, but,
This is coordinate bench judgment, recent judgment.
but contradictory, my lord.
Contradictory,
Opinion.
there was a contradictory, but it has been dismissed to giving them a liberty to file an application.
This is the same case, the same petitioner. No,
not,
Not same petition, similar case.
No, but first let me understand what has
my lord,
happened in the present case.
my lord, kindly.
This has come for motion, so notice
ma'am.
issued, not
Yes,
issued.
Yes, my lord. Kindly turn to page, my lord, 51, my lord.
51.
Why, my lord, my candidature was rejected, my lord.
Yes,
Yes, 51, my lord.
this is for what post?
Yeah, my lord, constable, my lord.
Constable.
And my lord, reason, my lord, hesitation, cut mark in left arm, forearm, examined, hesitation, cut marks. My lord,
What is this?
my lord, actually, my lord, psychological, my lord, issue, my lord, that has been, my lord, raised here, my lord. But while, my lord, I independently, my lord, conducted medical test in Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed Medical College and Hospital, that is case 52, my lord. No such, my lord. Case 52, my lord, kindly.
There was no cut marks.
My lord, kindly see, my lord. Case 52.
There was no cut marks.
I am reading, my lord, kindly see, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, case 52.
Yes.
My lord. Index patient is seen on clinical interview the index person was found oriented to time, place, and person, presented with no active symptoms of any psychotic or depressive illness. Intelligence is found average, no
Okay.
history.
Okay. Here, in your case, you didn't seek for a review
Yes, ma'am,
already
that is reviewed. It was reviewed.
and
But
that
after
also
that, my lord, yes.
against you.
Yes, my lord.
Where is that order?
That was page 51, Lord.
Page 51, my lord. That is review order, my lord. And after review order, my lord, I conducted medical test.
And before that,
Before that, my lord, page 50,
that also same.
my lord.
Same thing.
So on that page 50 is the hesitation and then
Page
review.
51, review.
51 is the review.
Yes.
So review is in favor of you.
No, my lord, against
No.
me. Both are against
Both
me.
are
my lord.
against you.
But while my lord conducted medical test in Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed Medical.
So
College and-
52 is in
Yes,
favor.
my lord. Yes, my lord.
Okay, okay, okay.
I have, my lord, annexed to order, my
Okay,
lord.
okay. So are you satisfied if I dispose it of by directing, giving you the liberty to,
My lord, one similar order, my lord, two similar order I have annexed, my lord. Kindly turn to page
order was to constitute
page
a
53,
review
my lord.
medical board.
which page?
Page 53, my lord.
Page 53.
Are there, my lord, some repetitions where can be fixed?
I think this would be more fair to have a reconstituted medical.
Yes, ma'am, independent.
It was because in terms of our policy, after review medical examination, there is no process for review, Lordship.
But he is before this court now.
Lordship.
And,
I-
and what has been placed before this court is that there is also there is also another medical report suggesting
But here
that no active psycho
thing is there, Lordship, but his
symptoms is there.
identity was not known there, Lordship. Who is that person, Lordship?
Anyway, there's nothing to lose if there's a reconstituted. Why we should not do that?
Lordship,
It'll be all fair. It is only going to be in the interest of justice.
open the floodgate, Lordship.
What floodgates? Is there a bar? Is there a bar?
No bar, Lordship,
Then-
but Lordship,
Mr. Roy, if there is no bar, what is the use of giving this order? He is already given representation.
Kindly, my lord,
Not
page
given
57, my lord. Kindly page
Huh?
57, my
he had not even
No, but
approached.
what will happen even if he gives a representation? You will say that already the review board has taken a call.
Lordship.
End of the matter. What will happen if he gives a representation? You tell me, Mr. Roy. He's already filed a review before the department as per the rules. That review is already against him.
Let notice the issue. We will file our affidavit in this matter. Then
Why should we go to that stage? Why can't we dispose this of?
My lord, it is a covert case. Kindly page 57, my lord.
Why? What is preventing it? Huh?
Page 57, my lord. Another order, my lord.
You see, after 2 years, possibly this is the order which will be passed to send it to a
review.
reconstituted board.
Lordship.
What can be done after 2 years? Why should it not be done on the first day? Please tell me. Everything is on record.
Lordship.
Nobody can change anything. The two reports and the other report from the other hospital is also there. This is the facts. What affidavit will you file? No, I am just generally saying, you see, we have to be also conscious.
Lordship.
You know, everything cannot be done in a mechanical manner,
Lordship.
isn't it?
As per our guidelines, Lordship, no review medical applies, Lordship.
So that is all right. That has already been done.
Done.
Now I am not asking you to review it.
Lordship.
He is before a writ court.
Lordship.
The materials placed before the writ court are 3 reports. 2 of yours,
Lordship.
which are against him. 1 is an independent, which is in favor of him.
In favor of him, Lordship, but I object that his identity was not dear Lordship, whether the same person has done this test or not, Lordship.
My lord, why, my lord? Masum Devan, my lord, and it will be
Only
revealed,
name,
it
Lordship,
will be
in
revealed,
his-
my lord.
in his-
All right, by when will you file your affidavit?
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks is the only time that you will get. I'm going to make it very clear in the order. Heard, Mr.
Yes, it's Shikdar, my lord.
So and so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.K. Roy, learned S.S. Roy, sorry. S.S. Roy, learned counsel appearing for
All the rest.
CGC, na? Learned CGC appearing for all the respondents. Huh? By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is challenging the medical reports dated 18/11/2025 issued by the Detailed Medical Examination Board PSF Patgaon and 22/11/2025 issued by the Review Medical Examination Board PFS Patgaon, declaring the petitioner to be unfit for recruitment to the post of constable within bracket GD in CAPF's within bracket Central Armed Police Forces for the year 2025. Stop. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that despite the two boards constituted by the respondent authorities, including the review board, having held the petitioner unfit, the petitioner, upon being examined by an independent medical officer at Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed Medical College and Hospital, he was found fit. Stop. Issue notice, returnable on such and such date. Extra copies within the course of the day. Since the matter pertains to non-selection of the petitioner to the subject post on the ground of medically being unfit on the basis of the two reports which appears, the respondent shall have the instructions or place or file their return positively by the next date of listing to enable a quick disposal of the petition instant petition. I think
Hello.
that should be sufficient.
Hello,
You take this, huh? You had given.
Number 11.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly allow us some more time, Lordship, to get the status of the appeal, Lordship. They have requested. for this.
Notice is not issued.
Notice not issued.
Submit a affidavit, my lord.
Yeah, I'm issuing notice.
Should be issued,
I'm
Lordship.
issuing
Yes.
notice.
On last occasion, actually, instruction was sought for, Lordship. This was.
It's all right. Let notice go.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. S. Sharma, na?
My-
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS
M.
M.
Bhattacharya.
Bhattacharjee, learned additional senior government counsel. Correct?
Lordship.
For all respondents.
Yes, Lordship,
for
all
the
the respondents.
By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is challenging inter alia the order dated the inquiry report dated 25/10/2024. Huh?
Order has been passed, my lord.
Sorry?
Order has been passed, my lord.
Order has been passed. So what is the order that you're challenging?
My lord. It is order dated 9/5/25.
The impugned order dated 9/5/2025, whereby what was happened? Whereby penalty of stoppage of 2 increments was issued against the petitioner.
Notice required.
Exactly. Issue notice, returnable date after 3 weeks, returnable on such and such date. Extra copies within 3 days.
Already furnished, my lord.
You have received extra copies?
On last day,
Since the extra copies have already been furnished to the learned so and so, waived
Lordship.
and list accordingly.
yes, my February. Can you date my kindly fix?
It's already given. The problem is that you all prepare everything and you submit it mechanically. You are not alert what is happening in the court proceeding. Before even you said it, he said the date
Oh, you
16
said-
February, no?
16 February.
16 February.
We heard it. Yes,
Item 12.
yes.
Lordship, the matter relating to
Area salaries,
Lordship, we have not received any instructions here, Lordship, in the matter.
What
Although we
to
have
do?
communicated, Lordship.
area salaries.
Yes, Lordship.
Since when have you not received? Your salaries, since when are they due?
This is Anganwadi worker, Lordship. This is not,
Huh?
not area lab. Appointment of Anganwadi worker, Lordship. Item 12.
Oh, this is item 12,
Twelve.
sorry. Rejection of candidature.
Page number.
All right, you have your complete your instructions. As prayed for by MS Sharma, S. Sharma, na? U. Sharma, Learned Counsel, you're appearing as government counsel. Learned Government Counsel for the respondents, 3 weeks video for filing return.
Notice will be issued, Lordship.
Notice not issued till now.
No, no.
Only direct to furnish the extra copy, Lordship. Already furnished the extra copy, Lordship.
Notice issue করে দিয়া, huh? Query niki. Heard Mr. So-and-so, also heard MS So-and-so, Learned Government Counsels, appearing for all the respondents by way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. The petitioner is seeking direction to the respondent authorities to accept the application of the petitioner for interview for the post of Anganwadi worker of Oxek Pathar Anganwadi Center and to prepare select list including the petitioner for interview for the said post. Inter alia kore diba, huh? Issue notice, baki kini milai di.
15th February. Item number 13.
Yes,
Lordship,
area salaries.
Yes,
Yes.
the Borderpur Town Committee, although the Lordship Chairman of Borderpur Town Committee is met party here, Lordship. And I'm not appearing for the chairman, I'm appearing for municipal and municipal government and all. For respondent numbers, 1 to 4, respondent number 5. So say, in this case, Lordship, the instructions are still awaited from our side. And
Who is going to release the salaries?
the Borderpur Town Committee, Lordship.
Notice is not issued.
no,
Their respondent number,
Respondent number 5.
the notice has to go. Why these matters, why was it not brought to the notice of the court earlier? Because if they are the persons who have to release it, their say is important. These are salary matters. Unnecessarily it is getting delayed now. It should have been brought to the notice of the court earlier. You are bringing it to my notice today. It should have been brought it on the last occasion as well, isn't it? Then notice would have gone. Because you are saying it is on them. Tomorrow they might appear and say ki everything has been done at their end and it is at the finance. We don't know. No, Mr. Dar. Heard MS?
P. Adhikari.
P. Adhikari, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. CKS Barwa, Learned Government Counsel. Learned Government Counsel for the respondent numbers.
1 to 4.
Huh?
1 to 4.
1 to 4. And 5 is okay. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking release of area salary along with all area. Issue notice, fixing it on such and such date, that date deliver. So and so accepts notice for respondent number 1 to 4. Register extra copies within the course of the day. Since extra copies have already been served upon so and so as per last order dated 19/12/2025, the same is waived. Registered post in case of 5, respondent number 5, within steps within the course of the day. Can you take it today?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, within the course of the day. And Kitya Disa, give a date.
9 February.
9 February.
Item 14.
May I please?
Yes.
Your Lordship, the petitioner has filed a WPC bearing number 5694.
Why are you saying the writ petition number? Yes, what is the writ petition for?
For this, Your Lordship.
You need to memorize the writ petition file for what? What is the prayer, not the writ petition number? What is your name?
Dhritilekha Deka, Your Lordship.
Decca. Yes,
Your
Miss Decca, what is the prayer?
Therefore,
Where is the prayer? Come to your prayer page. And next time you move a case before this court, you have the brief, not your diary. You open the brief. Have your notes written in a small piece of paper or as convenient to you, keep it aside. But you have the brief. Brief is what is important.
I have to.
Yes. Page 6. Now see what is the prayer? Contempt,
Content.
right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
For violating which order?
Order dated 24th September 2025.
Which
Your
page?
Lordship, please come to annexure 1, page number 10.
So you have filed a contempt for violating the order of 24/9/2025.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is the operating part of the order?
Lordship, please come to para number 2.
Yes, please read.
The petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 13/1/2024 issued by the Joint Director of Health Services Golaghat, whereby the petitioner was relieved of the additional charges which he was earlier given under.
All right, I'm issuing notice. Third MS,
Dear
Decca
Decca.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. By way of this by way of this petition, the petitioner is seeking initiation of contempt proceedings for willful and deliberate violation of the order dated 24/9/2025 passed in WPC number 5691 of 2025. Stop. Issue notice, registered post AD within 3 days, returnable 3 weeks or percent.
Hurry up.
Yes.
123.
DL Decca. Yes, next matter. Yes,
May I please?
compassionate appointment.
My name was recommended by the DLC Lordship on 26/6/2023 Lordship.
2023.
2023
Hmm.
Lordship. And in the meantime, Lordship,
Mr. Dhar, let him speak.
my Lord, while the case is pending before the SLC for consideration, Lordship, the
DLC recommendation was when?
26/6/2023.
26/6/2023.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
While the case is pending, Lordship, before the SLC for further consideration, the impugned office memorandum came into force, Lordship, on 18/9/2023.
Which of OM?
OM dated 18/9.
Okay, that 18/9, yes.
By which, Lordship, all the cases which was prior to 31/3/2017, Lordship, that was also not directed to be considered, Lordship. Further, and thereafter, Lordship, several writ petitions were filed before this honorable court, and this honorable court directed, Lordship, to consider, Lordship, keeping aside the office memorandum, Lordship, all those cases. And then, Lordship, one executive order was published by the authorities saying that, Lordship, the cases which already the direction of this honorable court may also only be considered for compassionate appointment, Lordship. Although I have annexed the similar judgment, Lordship, your Lordship may kindly see page 46, Lordship. So similar cases, Lordship, this honorable court disposed of, directing the authorities to consider, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Dhar.
My lord, the very first thing is that he is challenging the OM dated 30th August 25.
30?
August, my lord, that is page number 43. Now, my lord, this OM is issued by Department of Personnel. Personnel is not a party here, to start with.
All right, issuing notice then.
No, my lord,
If he is not making a party, we can't help it. It is for him to take a call.
affidavit is to come from,
That's why I'm saying
my lord,
it's his call.
My Lord, I will make.
He'll do whatever he wants to do. He's already heard you. This court is not going to advise him now. It is in his interest.
my lord. And my lord will maintain with the my lord. It is the death is on 4.
That I have seen. So let them first.
My lord,
Huh?
my lord to keep open, my lord, that maintenance. 24 years. I've gone there.
Heard, Mr.
An H board, we have.
so and so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. R. Dhar, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers,
1 minute.
respondent number 1, and Mr. S. Dottal, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 2 and 3, standing counsel PNRD. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is challenging the OM dated 18/9/2024 and the executive order dated 30/8/2025. Stop. And for consideration of the case of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate grounds in place of her husband, who died while in place of her father who died while in service on 4/4/2002 on compassionate grounds based on the recommendation of the district level committee Karimganj dated 13/7/2023. Full stop. Issue notice returnable fixing on such and such date after 3 weeks. And then you say
Fine.
what?
No.
Extra copies within the course of the day. Mr. R. Dhar, learned so and so, submits that whose presence?
Personal department value.
Submits that though the personal department's presence is necessary for effective adjudication of the listenant, however, the same is not a party respondent in the matter. Then you say, he further objects the maintainability of the petition on the ground that the petitioner's father died way back on 4/4/2002, and hence the case is covered by the decision of the apex court in the case of State of West Bengal versus Debabrata Tiwari. Stop. The issue of maintainability is kept open. List on such and such dates.
I may be allowed, liberty may be granted to.
You do whatever you want to do.
Item 16.
Yes.
Matter pertains to selection and appointment to the post of Constable GDE,
Hmm.
Central Armed Police Force. Herein the candidature of the petitioner has been rejected. Case 46, your lordship, kindly have it.
Page.
Case 46.
Issue notice.
But herein only given that, but I have also annexed one document, your lordship, that is at page.
But what can be
49.
done today?
I think instruction may be called for your lordship.
Uh,
Instruction will.
No, I don't believe in keeping matters for instructions. These matters ultimately they will have to file it. So let her have it, whether instruction or whatever. I'll issue notice, give a short date, and then whatever can be done.
In the meantime, my friend has said that final merit list has already been published. Therefore, only I am saying.
You have been declared unfit.
Yes,
Which is that report?
yes, 46, your lordship.
46.
46, this is
High.
46 and
Bilateral
47.
high arcade feet, foot.
What does that mean?
This is some, the foot doesn't touch the ground. That is what is
And this is for what post? Constable.
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 And then review.
The review, that is page 47.
Same
Same.
lordship.
After that, any other order?
No, they.
There is no order.
So you've already filed a review. Review is rejected. What remains?
But page 49, your lordship, kindly see. Page 49.
Yes. No.
The petitioner, he was examined,
This is part X-ray. We don't know what is that.
the impression part, kindly have a look, your lordship. No significant abnormality.
No, that
And
is
it
not
was done-
sufficient. That is not sufficient, Mr. Counsel. Sorry, heard Mr. A.M. Khan?
Your lordship is going to issue notice.
Yes. Mr.
A.M. Khan.
Heard Mr. A.M. Khan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MSB Sharma, learned CGC for all the respondents. for all respondents. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is assailing the impugned recommendation of the detailed medical examination dated 26/11/2025, as well as the impugned recommendation of the Review Medical Examination Board dated 1/12/2025, and also seeking a direction for reconstituting a fresh medical examination of the petitioner for considering appointment of the petitioner to the post of constable / GD CAPFs in terms of recruitment notice dated 5/9/2024. Issue notice returnable on such and such date, give a date after 3 weeks. On such and such date, fixing on such and such date, extra copies, so and so accepts notice, extra copies within 2 days from today, list accordingly.
Item 17.
Yeah, please.
Mr. Khan, Ms. Sharma, I'm only adding one paragraph, one sentence, that because of the nature of the case, on the next date, positive instructions. Medical board or case. You have it, whatever you want to say. These are not matters to be kept pending. We will dispose it on the next date for enabling effective disposal on the next date. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, prayer for paying honorarium of Anganwadi worker, Lordship, which has been stopped from February 2021, Lordship. And now she is being paid honorarium of an Anganwadi helper, Lordship.
Yes, you don't have instructions, I don't think. All right, notice. Mr.
P. Mojumdar, Lordship.
P. Majumdar, petitioner, M. Chakrabarti, learned additional senior government advocate for all respondents. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution, the petitioner is assailing non-payment of honorarium of the petitioner since February 2021. Issue notice, so and so accepts notice after 4 weeks.
Lordship, in the interim, Lordship.
What interim you want?
Lordship, Lordship may kindly come to page number 33.
Interim to be considered on the next date of listing. Give it after 3 weeks, at a fixed date. Yes, next.
19. Item 18.
Yes.
Meet the also. My lord, this is against termination.
Termination, Ms. Bormon.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm praying for, he was appointed, appointment letter.
You are praying for what today? Notice.
Notice.
Heard MSP Bormon, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Counsel appearing for all respondents. Learned CGC for all respondents. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is assailing the impugned termination order dated 3/9/2025, issued by the Commandant Office of the DIG Group Center CRPF Telegaon Pune, whereby the petitioner's service as the post of Constable General Duty Group Center CRPF Pune has been terminated. Issue notice, fixing on such and such date, extra copies and sorry?
It should be kept open because.
Why?
Because it's.
We are not admitting, so you can always bring it. There's no bar.
Much obliged.
20.
20.
Item 19.
May please.
Yes, please.
The petitioner number 1 is employee of the net fee, which is the petitioner number 2. And he opted for joint option for higher pensions. But the EPF
Who is
did not
appearing for
accept-
the other side?
did not accept the form on the
Who is
ground.
appearing for the other side?
EPFO has.
Yes, CGC, I think. Mr. Roy?
Lordship, the Provident Fund Standing Council is there also. Yeah.
What is
Three.
you are for?
Three I can,
You are there.
three, Lordship.
And who is appearing for the rest of the respondents?
Dilip D. Day.
Is there no counsel?
Yes, there is a standing council.
Standing Council.
So you have not served a copy?
Yes,
But names are not.
Yes, it's only shown as
DYS.
SC, DY, SGI. They have not been shown. Have you served or not? Please check. It was some copies. Decent and yeah, dekha nahi. Respondent. Copies of course and I can't find it here, huh?
so if required, we'll serve it again.
You give a copy.
Right.
Heard Mr.
All us.
O. Lashkar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned CGC for respondent number 3. It appears that the Standing Council for Provident Fund, for Central Provident Fund, right?
Fund, Regional Provident Fund Commission. 1 and 2.
No, it is called what? The Standing Council? Standing Council PF, though copy has been served, has not been reflected in the cause list for which there is no representation today when the matter has been called. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, undertakes to inform the Learned Standing Council and if need be to serve another copy so as to enable due representation on the next date of listing. Relist when?
It may be given next Tuesday.
On such and such date.
SCPF may be shown in the cause list.
Let registry also reflect the name of the Standing Council PF in the cause list.
Obliged.
Item 20.
Similar matter, hearing also may issue notice.
Hmm?
Hearing also the.
So this is similar.
Similar.
One sec, Pranab. Similar to item number
16.
16. It was similar to item number 16, huh? Actually, order.
Enabled by.
Same. I'll make it same then. Similar orders. Yes. Cause title to Siloba.
21 also same, but here in the Alice deformity was hesitation Katman.
That
But
item
in-
number 10.
But in their opinion also, Lordship kindly have a look at page 50, your Lordship. They are self.
How come you are moving all the cases of medical unfit candidates today? Yes.
Page 50, your Lordship, this is the opinion of the review medical board. Herein they have. Page 50, your Lordship.
Yes, unfit on multiple hesitation cuts.
But
This is similar to that item 10.
10.
Yes, then,
Although psychiatric evaluation is normal at present.
and the review is page 51.
Page
And then 50,
52 is
which is the independent board?
independent, it is GMCA's.
Where is, does not have any active skin disease. It was similar to item 10. I'll pass the same order of item 10 then. Item 10 or ordered, yeah, okay, not legal. Yes.
2.
May I please, Lordship?
Gratuity,
Lordship, pension and gratuity already.
recalculation,
Recalculation.
yes.
Lordship, already, Lordship, similar matter has already been disposed of, Lordship.
Petition
You-
was returned.
Mr. Upadhyay, are you aware?
I know this order.
Okay. Yeah.
Lordship, on the part-
Ah,
delay and lessons on the part of the petitioner, Lords.
No, Lordship.
he says no. He says no.
Lordship, he was retired in 2013.
1 second, 1 second.
Lordship,
So you also won the benefit of Sanjita Roy's,
Lordship,
huh?
Lordship.
But these judgments came way back in 2018. Division bench of Binapani also came long back.
Lordship.
But it was held, Lordship, order is in retrospective in SR.
That's right, but you have come now in 2025, 2026.
It's only fixed law. But based.
Why, any reasons for, have you given
There is
any
no
explanations for the
Lordship
delay?
was,
Have you given any explanation for the delay?
No. Already I have
Then-
several time Lordship approves Lordship authority.
Where are those explanation? Paragraph.
Lordship. Paragraph 10 Lordship. Page 11.
Paragraph
10 Lordship.
Delay explanation.
Yes, what about delay? What have you said in paragraph?
I have already approached Lordship.
Approach. Yes, Mr. Upadhyay.
If he is not being paid the actual, that line may be included. Definitely, the authority will verify that.
Hmm?
The authority will verify whether he is being paid the actual pension or not.
Heard Mr.
C. Bhattasarya.
C.
Bhattasarya.
Bhattachary.
Bhattasarya. Lordship.
Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
I for 1.5.
I, na? I Upadhyay, na?
N.
Sorry, N. Upadhyay, Learned Counsel appearing for all respondents.
No. So 1, 4 and 5.
1, 4 and 5. 2 and 3. 2 is Mr. Barpujari and 3 is MSU Sharma. What about the rest?
6 Lordship.
Anyone there?
Dharma is there.
Mr. Sharma for 6, na?
Yes.
5 is also 4 and 5 is Mr. Upadhyay, you are appearing, right?
4 and 5 I am there.
6, Mr. Sharma. B. Sharma, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking recalculation of the basic pension of the petitioner by taking into consideration of the qualifying service for full pension and to determine actual amount of gratuity on the basis of length of service without any deduction, and accordingly to allow the petitioner to draw actual basic pension and gratuity. Stop. With the consent of the learned counsels appearing for all the parties, the petition is taken up for final disposal on the first day of moving. The brief facts of the case is that the petitioner was initially appointed as master roll worker on 18/3/1980 under the Office of the Assistant Executive Engineer, Chopper Subdivision Irrigation, and his service was later on regularized as helper with effect from 22/7/2005 by order dated 6/10/2005. Stop. Thereafter, the petitioner retired from service on 31/3/2013. Stop. In terms of the office memorandum dated 25/2009, while calculating the pension of the petitioner, 6 years of service was deducted. It is the specific case of the petitioner that upon the aforesaid OM being challenged before the writ court in WPC number 1942 of 2018 before this court by judgment and order dated 4/12/2018 was pleased to held the said office memorandum dated 25/2009 as not permissible. Stop. It is the basic contention of the writ petitioner that counting of past service, deducting initial period of 6 years is unreasonable. In the instant case, the petitioner having deducted the past service, the petitioner is entitled for a recalculation and to get actual amount of pension and gratuity by taking into consideration the total length of service of the petitioner. Stop. Heard the parties. Having heard the parties and having noticed that in similar situation, this court in the case of Aliza Begum versus State of Assam in WPC 361 of 2025 and Jogeshwar Bhuja Barua versus State of Assam in WPC 5869 of 2023 by judgment and order dated 7/3/2025 and Three 5/2024 having directed the respondent authorities to re-examine the claim of the petitioners in those cases, and upon verification, if having found that 6 years of service of the petitioners therein has been deducted, to recalculate the appropriate amount payable, to recalculate the gratuity and all other retired benefits by taking into consideration the entire period of service of those petitioners. In terms of Sanjita Roy versus State of Assam and others in WPC 1089/2015 decided on 4/12/2018 and Binapani Das versus the State of Assam and others in WA number 18 of 2021 decided by the division bench of this court by judgment and order dated 26/2/2021. Stop. Stop no comma. I do not see any reason to differ from issuing similar direction in the context of the present case, which is contextually same. Accordingly, it is directed that the pension of the petitioner shall now be recalculated stroke recomputed by adding 6 years of service to his credit, to his credit and consequential pensionary benefits, including gratuity, etc., upon verification in accordance with law. And the same, if found to be entitled, shall be paid to him within a period of 90 days from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Disposed of.
Obliged.
Then 23. Prior to your notice. The quick grievance of the petitioner is that also an amount of which is 1,22,000 has been recovered on the ground of overall amount for the period 2016 to till the date of retirement, and this recovery has been made after retirement of the service. I'm sorry. And second given is that the audio.
Mr. Sharma, I think notice has to
Notice has
go.
to go, madam.
Pension has been given, Lordship, he has been given at a lesser pay scale and grade pay. Lordship.
They have to have the instruction.
We'll have to respond.
They can't otherwise. You cannot expect Mr. Sharma to have the instructions ready today.
But so far the recovered amount, Lordship, the.
Let him
stays-
let him first get his instruction.
Lord,
Heard Mr.
A Decker.
A. Dekar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. B. Sharma, Learned
SCAG, madam.
SCAG for respondent number.
5.
For respondent number 5, then CKS Barwal,
1 to 4.
Learned Standing Counsel, Learned GA Assam for respondent numbers
1 4.
1 to 4. And 6 and 7, R. Barpujari, Learned Standing Counsel Finance, na? 6 and 7. Issue notice, it took one end, huh? By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking
Page 15.
recovery of, you are seeking refund, right?
Refund.
Seeking refund of the excess, alleged excess joyal amount of rupees 1,22,230, full stop, huh?
There's one more grievance, my lord.
Inter alia, make it inter alia. Issue notice, returnable after returnable after 4 weeks. And within 3 days, extra copies.
The one more grievance is that Lordship, his pension is Lordship, counted Lordship by giving a lesser pay scale.
And by wrongly counting the pension.
Pay scale of the Lord.
By taking into account
The.
A lesser.
a
grade
lesser
pay.
grade pay.
Right.
Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Supplementary list item number 50.
Yes.
Kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
51.
Yes.
May please, Your Lordship. Or the petitioner is working at Dulejan, madam, as chief manager in the materials department. Now he came to a notification that is at Annexer
So
1.
you're charging this rejection for lateral movement.
Yes, madam.
What does lateral movement?
Lateral, but within the boundary, madam, within the office, madam. Dulejan, within Dulejan.
The instructions has to come.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll issue the notice.
Lordship, in this case, what happened, Lordship, the petitioner has earlier approached the Sonabul court. Petitioner was transferred on Lordship. Lordship, I may place certain documents, Lordship.
No, but I'm not giving anything right now. I'm issuing notice.
Before that, madam, before my friends say, madam, the notification was issued, madam. Your Lordship will find a page.
Easy to offer some. All of the
Page 16, Annexer 1. But an application are invited from interested executives in grade.
Page.
Page 16. The
1/6.
1/6, madam. Is a notification issued by Dulejan, madam. Calling to fill up in audit department.
This is a notification, madam.
What is this, Mr. Das?
My applications are invited from interested executives in grade C, D, and E.
For lateral move.
lateral movement.
Okay, okay. So
So-
because of this, you had applied.
As per this, I applied. Now, thereafter, madam, they have said at page number 19. They says, madam, that my HOD has page 19.
Yes, since
Correct.
your HOD has commented that
Yes.
due to shortage of executive manpower, your release is not possible.
My lord.
Yes,
Thereafter, madam, I filed a representation. That is
Yes.
at page, madam, 20, next page.
yes.
I say that,
You want an interim order today?
ma'am, that's a.
No, I'm asking, are you wanting
If
an
your lordship
interim?
is- Please, then lordship pass.
No, but what interim do you want?
But this,
That you should be allowed to move.
no, but this has been passed illegally, my lord. This, madam,
Mr. Counsel, I'm not going to dispose of your case
No,
today,
no,
correct?
yes, madam.
So are you seeking an interim direction?
If your lordship is please.
I'm only asking you a question.
I'll be pleased, madam, if your lordship is.
So what are you seeking today? Because you see, you want an audience. I'm giving you an audience, but I should understand for what purpose. Because if
yes.
it is for the purpose of issuing notice, I have said I'm issuing notice.
Yes, madam.
Now it seems you're not satisfied with just issuance of notice. You want something more. So I'm trying to understand what is that something more that you want, because you see, ultimately the judicial time is being invested.
My lordship
Yes.
may record my submission in this order.
About what?
This, my submissions, madam.
Your submissions would be recorded if there is a consideration and if I need to reject something. You want me to reject your writ petition? I shall record your submissions. I will hear you. So please tell me, what is that you want? Do you want me to
I-
dispose the case today?
No, madam.
No.
I want to show your lordship.
You
how
want
an
what?
Illegal order has been passed.
You see, Mr. Counsel, you have to understand that you cannot have an audience on every day. You are not seeking any effective order today. I have no problem. I can hear you, but you have seen that the court has a board of about 54 matters today.
Madam, yes.
Each matter, kindly see behind, so many counsels are sitting. They are all sitting for some specific reasons, right? If you do not want an interim order, the court is issuing notice.
Yes, sir.
What remains more to hear in your case? It is the judicial time after all,
My lord.
isn't it?
Yes.
I can take up some other matters and attempt to dispose those old cases. There are matters of
Okay,
2017 before this court.
Lordship may pass.
So why are you unnecessarily insisting to waste judicial time?
Lordship may pass order, madam.
Yes. Heard, Mr.
SP Das, madam.
SP Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard, Mr. A. Kalita, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent for all respondents. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is challenging the impugned inter alia, the impugned rejection for lateral movement to Technical Audit Department from Materials Department white letter dated 15/12/2025 issued by the General Manager HRD, showing the reason as shortage of executive manpower by HOD Materials Department. Stop. Issue notice, return a book, give a date after 3 weeks on such and such date. Extra copies within the course of the day.
Hello. That they have to file the record, madam. In this case, madam.
All right, next.
All right.
Order number 24.
Item number.
No, please, your lordship. Matter relates to granting family pension to an unmarried daughter.
Sorry.
Matter relates to granting of family pension to an unmarried daughter.
Today you want
To
an
an
impediment.
impediment petition has been filed for impeding AG, lordship. Earlier due
Any
to-
objection?
No, objection. Release it. There is a necessary party.
Heard MS T. Roy.
T,
T. Roy, Leonard Counsel appearing for the applicant. Stop. Also heard Mr. CKS Barwal, Leonard Counsel appearing for respondent numbers
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4 and MS. So and so, Leonard Counsel appearing for respondent number. Accountant General is not here. Huh?
No, the application has to be disposed of first.
How can you appear?
Finance,
You are not yet a party.
finance is a party here.
Yes, finance, anyone there? Mr. Fukan? Are you there for finance? You inform Chalia. You inform him. A Chalia, finance. By way of this application, comma, the applicant is seeking implement of the Accountant General A&E Assam Pension Branch Madamgao Beltola as party respondent in the connected writ petition. Stop. It appears that the applicant had filed a writ petition before this court, being WPC 3432 of 2025, seeking release of family pension due to the death of her mother,
Father,
due to the death of,
father, deceased father was the employee.
please see your page 5.
Yes, sir. Now it's not.
Please see your page 5. What is written, mother or father?
Yeah, mother.
Then why are you interrupting when I am dictating the order? If there is anything wrong, you may indicate.
No, Lordship.
But this is what you have typed at paragraph 2 of your petition. Death of her mother, who received the family pension right payment order number 23373 of her deceased husband, namely Jamani Kanto Sarkar, leaving the petitioner as only unmarried dependent daughter in the family. Stop. It appears that due to an inadvertent error, the applicant did not make the Accountant General A&E Assam Pension Branch a party respondent in the said writ proceedings. It appears that the presence of the so-and-so is necessary for effective adjudication of the writ petition. Mr. So-and-so does not object to the impleadment of the so-and-so. Having heard the learned counsel appearing for the parties, and having perused the grounds for impleadment, the impleadment application stands allowed. It is accordingly provided that so-and-so be impleaded as so-and-so, amended cause title, dismissed.
For execution, item number 25.
The main case of could even. Yes, what about rejoinder? Has they filed?
No, Lordship. And I think by
They
this
took
time.
time for filing rejoinder. It's a 2017 matter.
Yes, Lordship, and now these matters are infructuous, Lordship, because of the recent judgments.
What is the prayer here? Compassionate.
Compassionate appointment, and they are.
Heard,
waiting for 2030.
none appears for the petitioner on call. Heard MS M. Chakrabarti, learned additional senior government advocate for the state respondents. It appears on the last date, I-2/9/2024 as well, and there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner as well. In view of the consecutive non-appearance of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, the writ petition stand dismissed on being non-prosecuted.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Jinto Kokola equity.
No, in this case, affidavit I have not filed my appeal.
Who is going to file affidavit? Yes, department, who's appearing? Yes, Ms. Sharma.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondents 1, 3, and 5, Lordship.
If you filed your return,
No, Lordship, we have not received the instructions yet, Lordship.
how much more time?
Lordship, I'll take up the matter today itself, Lordship.
Bihu has also just gone there. Before that, the
And Lordship, the
holiday
point
courts
is
were
we-
also closed.
Also a member, Lordship.
Uh-huh.
The
All right, we
respondent
will.
seven-
Fine.
Yes,
Who
respondent
is
number
appearing
7,
for?
Lordship, is the member foreigners tribunal, Lordship. Their affidavit will also be.
So anybody appearing?
No.
Notice has gone.
Yes.
Anyway, we will give you time. Let's see what happens by the next day.
Lordship.
Heard Mr.
K. Kolita.
K. Kalita, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard MS U. Sharma, learned government counsel for respondent numbers
1, 3, and 5.
1, 3, and 5. None appears for the remaining for the other respondents on call. MS so-and-so seeks further 2 weeks time to complete her return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed. Yes. Dates would be
28.
Yes, Ms. Chakraborty, na? Yes.
Lordship, on
Mr.
last-
Barwa, what about your return? Mr. Fukan?
On the last day, I was asked to obtain the instruction. But that is regarding the non-releasing of unutilized leave salary.
Huh?
Non-releasing of unutilized leave salary, Lordship. Non-releasing of.
Non-releasing.
Yes, unutilized leave salary of 300 days. On that, Lordship, I have received the instruction from the Deputy Commissioner Gwalpara. She have received the amount, Lordship.
She has received them.
Yes, yes.
Not, there
Miss-
is no mention in the.
No, we have not filed the affidavit, but
This
that-
is form of bill for leave encancement, form of bill.
Why would you put your affidavit?
And accordingly, she was being asked to get her updated instruction from her client.
But you see, you file this affidavit, I'll have it on
Filed-
Friday.
filed the-
Friday? Huh, Mr. Fukan? You file it. How much time you will need? You put everything. We'll dismiss it after that.
Business for, if, Lordship, on the.
Heard MS S. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. C.K.S. Barwa, Learned
Yes.
GA Assam, and Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel. Huh? General Administrator, GAD. Mr. Barwa, by relying on a form of bill for leave encashment bill, submits that the petitioner has already received the unutilized
Leave encashment.
leave encashment as claimed in the instant writ petition.
Yes.
Let the instructions be placed by way of an affidavit, relist on such and such date. You take this back and you file it. You file it, give her a copy by Wednesday. No, the affidavit. Give it before. Don't file it on Friday and give it on Friday. The purpose is to, and Ms. Chakraborty, the moment you get the affidavit, immediately share it with your client and get the instructions.
Oh.
Yes. Friday holiday, Monday or holiday? Sure. Friday is a holiday, so I'm having it on Tuesday.
Item 29.
Friday ki holiday? Oh, second. Yes. None appears on call. MS Chakraborty Didibo. You are there?
No,
MS Chakraborty and Mr. T. Barwa, respondents are two, huh? Relist on such and such date. Yes, next.
CDPO.
Item 31.
It is just one.
Yes, Ms. Nanda,
Lordship, matter relates to appointment on compassionate appointment.
who's appearing for the respondents?
Forest is there and
Yes. Returns. Yes, Mr. Barthakur. Returns. You are carrying a lot of folders today. Yes.
Here, they are challenging the OM. So my lord, for that.
No, but what about return? Are you filing? You want me to hear the case? I'm ready. If you have to file return, please ask. Otherwise, I'll start hearing. I can see a lot of senior counsels also waiting for the turn. Why are you hesitating? You say what you want. Why unnecessary wasting time of the judicial time of the court? What do you want
2 weeks time may be given.
for filing return? Let them complete the return. I don't think the matter can proceed without the return. But who is the person, who's the effective respondent who has to file the return?
respondent numbers 4 and 5, Lordship.
Represented by Mr. Barthakur. Who is appearing for 4 and 5?
Forest,
4, we have 5.
5,
27 to 25.
5 and 6, Lordship. Forest is there for 5 and 6.
Who is appearing for them? Barthakur.
Yes.
So, Mr. Barthakur, you file your affidavit as prayed for by Mr. I. Barthakur, na?
Yes, sir.
I. Barthakur, Learned Standing Counsel Forest, relist on such and such date to enable the forest to complete the return in the matter.
A blank.
32.
Please, your lordship, in this case, no affidavit derived from the state respondent or the private respondent.
Yes.
We have received our instructions. We will be filing.
Okay, as prayed for by Mr. I. Thakur, affidavit returned. In as by agote etu koi dia that Mr. I. Thakur submits that the instructions have been received in the matter and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of return. Prayer is allowed. Relist on such and such date.
Okay. 34.
Yes.
The petitioner is under suspension from 26 to 2025, but till date, the it was not revised also, and also was not.
Suspension since when?
26 to 2025.
26?
3. 2025.
25. Yes, and 3 months expired when?
Your lordship, 26/6/2025.
No review
No review,
and no charge sheet.
no charge sheet.
Yes.
My lord, I am appearing for on behalf of AG,
A?
Accountant General.
Yes, but who is supposed to answer? Because otherwise I'm allowing this writ petition right away.
Effective respondent number 2.
Huh?
My
Development.
lord, Development Commissioner Hills,
I am not on that. If since nothing is coming forward, I'm going to allow this writ petition. Because it appears that the suspension is still going on. Despite the fact that the 3 months expired way back on 26/6/2025.
My lord, we are seeking some time, my lord.
Tomorrow.
No, my lord.
Tomorrow.
No, my lord, I have a letter, my lord. They are seeking 2 weeks time.
No, let them file. They want 2 weeks, they can want 2 months. This is not the consideration of the court. This is a matter of suspension. Your everything is there. The apex court judgment, this court's judgment, the OMs. It appears that the allegation is that it already expired the time limit way back in June 2025. We are now in almost end of January 26.
My lord, if you
So you have your instructions. I am not denying you the right of obtaining your instruction, Mr. Dhar.
my lord will fix on Friday, my lord, Thursday.
Huh? Thursday? Very well. It appears, no, ticket or number, you are Mr.
H. Buragohain.
H. Buragohai. Heard Mr. H. Buragohai, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers.
Respondent number, my lord, 2, my lord.
Respondent number 2 NMS.
S. Sharma.
S. Sharma.
Mr. B. Sharma.
On behalf of
Mr. B. Sharma.
B. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers.
4, my lord.
4. It is contended by, specifically contended by Mr. Buragohai that despite the suspension period having been expired way back on 26/6/2025 of the petitioner Koideba, neither any review of the same has been carried out till date, nor the charge sheet has been issued till date. Let positive instruction in the matter be placed on such and such date, relist accordingly.
Obviously.
My lord, fix on Thursday, man.
Item 35.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Please, my lord.
I hope you are, you've been accommodated before time. Yes.
I would like to play the similar matter like the previous matter. May I kindly pass this to what you want to do?
Like previous matter, which previous
My lord,
matter?
the previous matter which was just placed before the court.
Suspension.
Matter, my lord, on 21/7/2025, I was placed under suspension.
Go slow, go slow.
Sorry, my
Suspension when?
21/7/2025.
Yes.
My lord, no memorandum of charges was provided to me. My lord,
Expiry when?
expiry, my lord, 21/10/2025.
21/10.
2025.
25.
My-
No charge sheet.
No charge sheet yet. My lord,
No review.
no review. My lord, review dated 9/1/2026 after a period of 3 months.
So that is not same to the earlier case.
My lord,
Here the review has been done, but after expiry.
yes, my lord.
9/1/6.
9/1/2026. My
Yes.
my
Anything more, Sharma?
yes, my lord. My lord, one authority passed by the division bench of this honorable court, if I may.
I think even that OM is applicable here. That OM which says that 3 months,
Yes, my lord, the 3
that is applicable in this case.
months. My lord, The authority that I have just forwarded before the honorable court makes it clear, my lord, that it has to be done within a period of 3 months. The review period.
I think this court has also authored 2-3 judgments on the similar line.
Yes.
Keeping that the fact that even that 6 months that 3 months review has to be done within that.
Yes, my lord.
I am seeking time until Friday or
For
Monday. my lord.
what?
Because my lord, because of these holidays, my lord. Officially, a copy of the petition has
Thursday.
not-
Mr. Sharma, Thursday. You have it by Thursday because you see, no detailed affidavit is required in these matters. These are the dates. If in the meantime it has been charge sheeted, then you place it before this court. I don't think there is any scope of any elaborate arguments in these matters. The law is settled, right, Ms. Bhuya? So there is no much scope. Sometime, correct. So you place it whatever is there. If required, you file a short affidavit. So I'll have it on Thursday. Itu he eki kuba khali no charge sheet kuba. However, reviewed after expiry of the time limit for suspension, I on 9/1/2026. বুজি পাইছা? বুজি পাইছা? আৰু ওপৰত নামখিনি চেঞ্জ হৈ যাব. Ms. Bhuya, please ask your junior to just give the names of all the councils. গোটেইখিনি নাম দি দিব. ওপৰৰ নামখিনি চেঞ্জ হৈ যাব না, সব নামখিনি বেলেগ কৰি দিব, হা? And lastত ক'বা, let positive instructions be placed before this court. কেইটাই দি দিয়া on Thursday. With liberty to the respondents to file affidavit if so advised. So if you want, you can file your affidavit. You take this back, Mr. Sharma, you give it to the court on the next day, huh?
I'm so obliged.
And try to get my judgment also, if it is listed here. The 2 judgments. I think in one matter, MS I. Chaudhary had appeared.
Supplementary list item number 54.
Please, your lordship, my lord, in this post, instruction was sought a notice was also issued, my lord.
Yes, Ms. Chaudhary, no return has been filed till date.
No, my lord.
Why? Compassionate appointment that
Yes.
challenging the executive order.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Ms. Chakraborty.
Lordship, this, can it be taken up at 2, lordship? In similar sense, the matter has not been entertained, lordship.
Tomorrow then,
Okay, lordship.
or at 2. Okay, we'll have it at 2.
That big item number 8.
Lordship, kindly sometime may be given to take our instruction.
Lordship, they have to just provide us the DDA address, lordship. Because of this, we could not process. We have the detailed communication, lordship.
Why don't you provide?
They could not provide, lordship. They filed RTI also. Yes,
the respondent has.
Yes. we
Give
have
it.
written. We have written.
Show me that what is your communication. Let me.
Lordship.
Yeah, I'll give you time, but let me pass something effective if that is the only hurdle,
Yes, lordship.
because these are.
DDA address from which place the person, the deceased employee retired, lordship.
Then can I not dispose of?
Because of if they provide, then this will be, there is.
I will give a time limit within 15 days, you provide it. And upon receiving within the next 15 days, you provide it.
Otherwise, there is no hurdle.
Nothing.
lordship. Yes.
Why should the family pension matter be kept pending unnecessarily?
Doing and disbursing on them.
Ms. Chakraborty, which is the specific, where have you said that? Because here you are saying a lot of things.
Last, yes, Lordship, the last page. This is a communication, Lordship.
Name of DDO. Heard Mr. M.R. Sodin.
Islam.
M. Islam, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS M. Chakraborty, M. Bhattacharya, sorry. M. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel appearing for Learned Additional Senior Government Court, appearing for the respondent numbers 1, 3, and 4. And MS Learned Counsel appearing for the Standing Counsel Accountant General, respondent number 5. Anyone for R2? Nayak was there. P. Nayak.
Yes, Lord.
If you can inform someone from P. Nayak's team that there's a girl who always appears for Mr. Nayak.
Barpujari, he was there. His name also can be recorded.
Okay,
Lordship.
R. Barpujari. Please inform Mr.
Lordship, I
Barpujari.
shall in-
By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking release of the family pension to the unmarried dependent daughter Stop. The brief facts of the case is that I had to cut it, yes, sir. The writ petition, the instant writ petition is being filed by the petitioner who is an unmarried daughter, unmarried dependent daughter of one LT Hiranmoy Purkasta, who was serving under the Assam police. It is the specific claim of the petitioner that the claim pension has not been granted to her by the respondents despite several representation having been filed. Mrs. M. Bhattacharya, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, submits on instruction that submits on instruction that the pension of the petitioner could not be released inasmuch as in the pension records of late Hiranmoy so-and-so, the name of the DDO is not mentioned from where late Hiranmoy so-and-so has retired. She furnishes a letter dated 1/4/2025 issued by the Assistant Inspector General of Police whereby the Office of the Accountant General A&E Assam, Madamgao Beldala, has been requested to furnish the name of the DDO from where late Hiranmoy Purkasta retired from service for processing the unmarried dependent daughter family pension case. She further submits that once the aforesaid information is furnished by the Office of the Accountant General A&E Assam, the family pension of the petitioner shall be forthwith released. Correct?
For release of the pension.
Necessary process for releasing of the family pension shall be immediately initiated. MS, who was appearing for that? MS so-and-so, Learned Counsel appearing for the Accountant General A&E Assam, submits that the necessary instruction as called for from the Office of the Assistant Inspector General of Police, W, Assam, shall be immediately furnished. Correct? You furnish it. In view of the aforesaid undertakings given by the learned counsels appearing for the State of Assam and the Accountant General A&E Assam, this court, in the interest of justice, deems appropriate to dispose of the entire writ petition by directing the Office of the Accountant General A&E Assam to furnish the name of the DDO from where late Hiranmoy Purkasta EX SIUB retired from service to the Office of the Assam Police Headquarters, Guwahati, Assam, to enable the respondent Assam Police to process the family pension case of the petitioner within a period of 15 days from the receipt of the certified copy of this order. It is further provided that upon receipt of the aforesaid information, the respondent Assam Police shall do the needful in accordance with law within a period of 1 month from the date of such receipt of information. 1 month I'm giving you time, so you do it. Ordered accordingly disposed of.
Time being item number 50.
Mr. Barpujari, I have already recorded your name.
So
Anything you want to add? Ultimately, finance.
it is between the administrative. I'm so.
Yes.
Last time, instruction was sought for from the respondent authorities.
Item 50, Niketan.
50.
Yes, this is motion. Yes. Accountant General.
Item 50. No? 50.
Yes, Mr. B. Sharma, I think, had appeared. Yes, yes. Today the name is shown or not?
That is not respondent.
Accountant General name, I don't think is reflect.
Not a party to the.
Huh?
Not a red is.
No.
Red is party.
The order says. Oh, Advocate General, sorry. Mr. Nayak, Additional Advocate General appearing for the Finance Department is permitted time to obtain instruction. Mr. B. Sharma, Standing Counsel AG, submits that Accountant General is not a party. That is all right. But who is appearing for Finance?
Let me give a call to Mr. P. Nayak. This matter is being conducted by him, my lord.
All right, then you have it. I'll have it refixed on Wednesday.
Yes.
Or next week,
Next week.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. M.U. Mandal, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Barpujari, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance. Stop. It appears that on the last occasion, Mr. Nayak had entered Additional Advocate General had entered appearance on behalf of the Finance Department and time was given for instruction. However, Mr. Barpujari is unaware of the instruction as called earlier by this court. Relist on such and such date. To enable the Finance Department, place the instructions as called earlier by this court. And so,
For orders, item number 26.
yes, contempt.
My lord, contempt, compulsory appointment. My lord, senior counsel is in legs and court number 1. So the
Who's your senior?
Dipankar Nath, sir. Dipankar Nath, sir. Dinath.
He is a senior counsel?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The matter may kindly be passed over for the time.
We'll wait. Let's see what instructions comes.
37.
None appears on call, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
38 of 39.
Yes, Mr. Kotoki?
Because here.
Order still not complied.
No,
Who is to comply?
the respondent number 1 and 2. Milord, director, mainly government, Milord.
Yes, same prayer. Mr. Nath is appearing, I believe.
Can I need a next, Milord?
All right. Heard Mr. S. Kotoki, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Yes, your name.
G. Anthony.
Mr.
G. Anthony.
Anthony. Mr. G. Anthony, Learned Counsel enters appearance on behalf of Mr. D. Nath, Learned Counsel appearing for the contemner number, and the contemner numbers 1 and 2, who submits that Mr. Nath is occupied in another court and accordingly seeks a short accommodation on his behalf. Prayer is allowed. Relist. When do you want it, Mr. Kotoki?
Any day next week, Milord.
On such and such date.
January.
Mr. Anthony, please ask Mr. Nath to finish. The returns have been filed. Show cause have been filed.
No, Milord, not. Milord, they are
Ensure that the show causes are filed by the next date.
supposed to submit the compliance order.
Comply. It is, however, clarified that the compliance order, as was required to be submitted today, shall be submitted on the next date of next date of listing without fail.
Milord.
Convey this to your senior.
Item 40.
Lordship, matter may kindly be passed over for the time being.
All right.
Much obliged.
41.
It's your lordship. As per order dated 15/12, notice have been served on the respondent number 4 by justice service on 9 on 20.
You are for 4.
I am for 9.
For 9.
File or wakalatnama here.
Huh?
We shall file our wakalatnama.
Oh, you have filed. So complete.
We have not filed yet. We shall file.
You will, but you have entered appearance
yes.
for R9. So service is complete.
Completed.
All right. And what about returns? I find none has filed any return till date. It's a 22 matter. Mr. Mr. Dhar, Mr. Barwa, you all are waiting for R9.
Basically, this is dispute between the petitioner and the private
R9.
R9 ballot. It's
Okay.
pension ballot.
Let me record the presence of R9 today. Heard Mr. K. Pathak, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers
1 to 5, my lord.
1 to 5. And Mr. B. Mr.
7 also, my lord. 1 to 5 and 7.
1 to 5 and 7.
7.
And Mr. Barwa for C. Barwa for
6.
respondent number 6. Haki goal 9, na? Ito ba check ko labo. Though Mr. So-and-so enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 9. He further submits that necessary wakalatnama shall be filed within a week from today. In view of the aforesaid assurance given by Mr. So-and-so, service stands complete. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. It is expected that it is needless to be clarified, but that by the next date of listing, the necessary return shall be filed by all the respondents.
42. Sorry.
I filed my application and have annexed the inquiry report, Lordship, complying the order of the Honorable Court.
Complied or not complied?
Complied.
Actually, they have not complied.
Not complied,
Not
Mr. Sharma.
But I want to draw the attention of this Honorable Court. For 3 to 4 times matter has been heard. And the last occasion, Lordship, my respectful submission before this Honorable Court. My respectful submission before this Honorable Court, why this contempt case is required to be filed. It is a clear violation
All right,
We-
let
we-
us first, Mr. Sharma, see.
Lordship, can you say annexer one, annexer one?
Let us see the order first, which
Oh, yes,
according to
yes.
which, according to you, which has not been complied. Which is that order? Page 28.
28, Lordship,
Page 20, para 20 graph.
Yes,
20.
please read.
Para 20, my lord.
Yes, please read.
Yes, I'm reading. 20. Mary, it is uttered at the cost of repetition. The case herein is that the employer of the employee, that is the petitioner, has sought to refix the date of birth of the petitioner by changing the same from 2/3/1957, already recorded in the service book of the petitioner a long years earlier, to 2/1/1955. As has been observed above, the state has the authority and the power to refix the date of birth of a government employee, even though a different date was accepted by the government at the time of appointment, but the same can be done only after an inquiry. It is thus up to the state respondent to decide about the further course of action in the matter. If a decision is taken to proceed with the inquiry, then the state respondents are at liberty to proceed with the inquiry from the stage where the infraction had occurred and complete the inquiry by following the mandatory procedure laid down under the rules, but the same must be completed within a period of 3 months from today, considering the fact that the dispute originated in the year of 2016. Any decision in relation to recovery on the ground of alleged overstay in service by the petitioner will abide by the findings and decision arrived at such inquiry with regard to the date of birth of the petitioner. It is provided further that in the event the state respondents take a decision that there will be no further inquiry, then they should process the matter of pension and other retirement benefits of the petitioner by taking the petitioner date of birth as 2/3/57, that is already corrected 28 years back. And thereafter, upon finalization, disburse the entire dues to the petitioner within a period of 2 months from today. Now, my lord, this is the relevant portion. What happened, my lord, that as per this, the mandatory time has been given because they, for last 28 years, they had done nothing. They had done nothing. My service was utilized. I am discharging my duties very sincerely, being a tracer.
That's all right, but what have they done?
Pardon me.
After this, what has happened?
After the
Because what according to you is the direction given by this order? What is the direction of the court according to you?
Direction of the court, my lord, actually, the last order.
Yes, what is the direction according to you?
Last order, my lord.
No. At page 28, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, 20.
Page 28.
Oh, yes.
What according
There
to
is, my
you?
lord, if they could not complete the inquiry within a mandatory period of 3 months, then if they are not willing to conduct the inquiry within the period of 3 months, then they will have to, from the date of judgment, within 3 months, they will have to complete. But in the event of failure on their part to conduct the inquiry within 2 months from the date of judgment, they will have to release the pensionary benefits. And also by taking the date of 2/3/1957, which was already corrected 28 years back in my service book by the
But
superintendent.
that they say it is provided for in the event the state respondents takes a decision that there would be no further inquiry.
Oh, no,
Not
yes.
failure.
Yes, no further.
Have they taken a decision of no further inquiry?
What happened? Here is a mandatory period is given.
That
3
I've
months.
understood, 3 months.
But within 3 months, they'll have to start the inquiry. But after receiving this judgment copy, continuously for 7 months, they remain silent.
So what are the admitted facts in this case?
Admitted facts, my lord, what happened?
The order is dated what? Just give me the dates. This order is dated 30/8/22. As per this order,
Yes, sir. But 30/8/2022, and that means within 3 months. That means after 30/11/2022, they should have completed.
the case of employment. to complete the inquiry within 3 months.
Yes, my lord.
This is the order.
Yes, my lord.
Now, 3 months completed when?
3 months completed, my lord, 30/11/2022.
30/11/22. When was the inquiry completed?
Inquiry now they have done behind my
3/11,
back
2022.
after about more than 1 year, 3/11/2023.
3/11/23.
2023.
So 1 year, 3 months.
1 year, 3 months.
What is the explanation given, Mr. Upadhyay?
After delay explanation, Lordship, I have not stated in my PDF, Lordship.
But that is, it's a time-bound order. It's a contempt matter.
Lordship, that is there, Lordship, but the court has not barred us to, Lordship, make an inquiry, Lordship. Court has said.
Mr.
not keep
Counsel,
within three months,
Mr.
Lordship.
Counsel, there is a specific order of the court, and the order of the court is very clear. It's an unambiguous order. The order of the court says that you will complete the same within a period of 3 months. Yes or no?
That is correct, Lordship.
So when a time frame has been given, you are bound to adhere to the time frame. There could be X and Z reasons for which you may not be able to complete the exercise within the time set by the High Court. But in that situation, you have to provide, you either apply for an extension or in a contempt proceeding, you must state the reasons.
Lordship, in that case,
How otherwise the contempt court shall adjudicate whether this delay is intentional, deliberate or unintentional?
Lordship, in that case, Lordship, I am filing my additional affidavit.
It should have been filed by now. This is the very, these are contempt proceedings. This should not be taken so casually.
Lordship, I will file.
There is a delay of 1 year, 3 months.
My lord, another very important point I want to draw your attention. For the first time on 25/6/2025.
On?
25/6/2025.
Yes.
For the first time, this expert inquiry report has been submitted before the Honorable.
You see, all that I cannot go into in this contempt proceeding, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
The contempt proceedings are limited, right?
Limited.
I have to only determine whether there has been a deliberate non-compliance of the court's order. That's all, the disobedience. Even in a situation where there may be some omission, the same is not enough to attract the contempt jurisdiction. It has to be shown that that is deliberate, unintentional, intentional, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
So now how do we go into this adjudication if they do not provide us the reasons for this inordinate delay of 1 year, 3 months? Otherwise, I will direct personal appearance of that person.
Yes, ma'am.
Let him appear before this
I will
court
file my
in
affidavit.
person and
Yes,
explain what was he doing for 1 year, 3 months.
Lordship, I will file my detailed affidavit.
So they should have been filed by now.
Lordship, I will file one.
Mr. Upadhyay, because you are there, I'm giving you this time.
Lordship.
In contempt proceedings, these things should not be taken so lightly.
Lordship,
When a time frame is given, that has to be adhered.
Lordship.
There can be reasons, but that doesn't mean that you be so casual about it also.
Absolutely.
Heard Mr. S. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. N. Upadhyay, Learned Standing Counsel, Irrigation Department for
Lordship, in fact,
respondent contempt number.
one, Lordship, that will get Lordship. One. Yeah. In fact, Lordship, all the respondents, contemnants are already retired. Lordship.
4, 5.
No, you are appearing for all.
I am 1 to 4, Lordship.
1 to 4. Mr. Barwa? For 5. Mr. Chalia? For 6. And you want to say something, Mr. Sharma?
I'm assisted by Mr.
Senior counsel, assisted by Mr. B? BR. P for Punjab or B for Bombay. PR Chaudhary, na? Mr. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner draws the attention of this court that despite a specific time limit set in the order dated 30/8/2022, NWPC 702/2018 for the inquiry to be completed, comma, the same has been done after a delay of 1 year, 3 months. Though an affidavit has been filed on behalf of the contemners irrigation department, however, no specific explanation as regards the long inordinate delay has been tendered. Mr. N. Upadhyay, with profused apologies, seeks a short accommodation to file an additional affidavit bringing on record the reasons for the said delay. Relist on such and such date to enable the contemners to file an additional affidavit as observed earlier.
During this month, 28, my lord.
Yes, when?
28th January.
Wait. Okay, Mr. Upadhyay.
My lord, till today, for 9 years have been elapsed, no provision.
All right, I've already heard you, Mr. Sharma. I've given a date. Yes. Second of February. It will. All right, the date is not getting changed, Mr. Upadhyay.
Due to my ill health, I will have to go Delhi.
No problem. It is fixed on 28th only.
20th.
You file it. Otherwise, you ask your officer to come to the court.
28 January, Lord. Apply, Lord.
Must have it.
Please, your lordship. Sir, kindly allow me to take fresh step upon respondent number 8.
You are appearing in person.
No.
Mr. Chaudhary, please have a look at the attire of the learned counsel. Please turn back. Please turn back. Please turn back.
Sorry.
Yes, next.
45.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, matter relating to pensionary benefit to the petitioner lordship and pleadings is complete lordship. Can it be on the admission hearing lordship and yes.
Sorry?
Pleadings are complete, my lord. It may come up for admission. Can it be on 2 or 3 lordship February?
Heard Mr. F. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Hajorika, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 8.
I responded 7.
You are Mr. A. Sharma, R7, and Medhi, SK Medhi for R5. Anyone else? MS. P. Deka, R. B for Bombay. B Deka for respondent number 3. As pleadings are completed, relist for admission on such and such date.
Can the lordship date may be lordship? Published.
Item 46.
Yes, Miss, what is this IA? Mr.
IA
Doctor.
has been filed by us, my lord. Lord, what has happened in this case, the respondent, my lord, is a employee of the state LIC, my lord. Now, what had happened, he was transferred from Guwahati to Kolkata. Then, my lord, we challenged the order before the Learned Labour Court, and before the Learned Labour Court passed an order of stay. Now, following the order of the Labour Court, what they did, my lord, they modified the original order of transfer to Kolkata.
Following the
order of the Labour Court. They modified the order of transfer from Guwahati to Kolkata to Guwahati to a different division, my lord. Now that order also I challenged before the Learned Labour Court. There is a stay operating against that also. Now, in respect of the first order, whereby the Labour Court granted the stay order, then they filed the present writ petition, wherein there is an interim order. But my lord, that order has already merged with the subsequent order.
You filed this IA for vacating the stay.
No, I filed the IA because, my lord, now they filed a third order, whereby I was again sent back to Kolkata. No? Kolkata,
You are the original respondent
in the writ
in
petition.
the writ petition.
That is
Ye-
the position.
Yes,
And-
what is to be done today? You,
My lord, I will just take your lordship to section 2A of the Industrial Dispute Act.
you are, in the IA, you're not filing any objection,
It's
no?
not required, my lord. I will clarify the matter.
One sec, before that, let me see the prayer. Vacate, alter, modify interim order 19-9. Permit and adjudicate. To proceed with, so this has been stayed, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes, yes.
This miscellaneous case.
Yes.
And these, what are these miscellaneous cases?
My lord, this IA 3985 has been filed
No,
by
no,
us.
no, 325. In the prayer they are appearing.
Huh.
To proceed with and adjudicate miscellaneous case so and so and so and so. This is your prayer.
I think, my lord, better lordship takes up the matter as a whole, only hearing the lordship decide the matter. Basically, they would like to say that I am not a, workman, so therefore I
Oh,
cannot approach the
that is
tribunal.
the.
My lord, that there I had my submission. my lord.
Where is this 19-9 order? 19-9-25? Which page?
Yes, at page 17 of the IA.
Page 17.
And the operative portion is at page 20. Para 9. Meanwhile, until further orders, the impugned order dated 19/6/24 to be read as when.
In the main case, pleadings are complete.
No.
My lord, it's a very short matter, my lord. If I read section 2A, that will clinch the
No,
matter.
because Mr. Chaudhary otherwise is saying that the matter can be heard, the
Yes.
entire matter.
Yes.
My
So
lord,
if
I-
you are also saying matter
No,
is short,
I'm not saying
so
that.
if the entire matter can be heard, then I can have it on fixed on Thursday, this Thursday or Tuesday.
Better, my lord, even my lord, can I
Yes.
offer the question of 2A is concerned?
Yes, Mr. Datta.
Just I'll take.
Yes, please.
Lordship, just take 2A of the Industrial Dispute Act.
I think you have already made this submission in paragraph 6. And,
Yes.
just let's read this order once then.
Right, that the order passed by the.
Yes, page 18. I see this submission of yours is reflected here.
Right. My lord, I'll read from para 4 onwards or para 5, my lord, at page 19. The learned.
You are the petitioner,
I'm
the
yes.
worker, the employee.
My lord.
Anna?
My lord, the section 2A relates to dismissal, retrenchment and discharge. Now, under 2A, the matter can be referred. I mean, the person can come to the labor court directly with no need of reference under section 10.
Yes.
Now, the para 5, your lordship kindly see.
Yes.
Section 2A submits that under section 2A, where any employer discharges, dismisses, retrenchments or otherwise terminates the services of an individual workman, that workman in respect of such a dispute or difference between the workman and the employer shall be deemed to be an industrial dispute, notwithstanding that any other workman or any union or workman is a party in the dispute. Under section 2A2, it is also open for such a workman to make an application directly to the labor court or industrial tribunal or for adjudication of the dispute after the expiry of 45 days from the date he has made an application to the.
Here it was transfer.
It's an out and out case of transfer.
So the transfer is not visualized under 2A.
It's not there. It will not come under the ambit of 2A. Well, the Apex Court has also set address that point. So therefore, my lord, we file an application challenging.
So therefore, you are saying the labor court exercise is without jurisdiction.
Without jurisdiction, my lord. And if I take your lordship to the decision.
That's all right. Prima facie, it appears without jurisdiction because on that. Now, what is Mr. Chaudhary reacting to that?
My lord, our application is under 2A read with 33 and 33(3)(b).
Of the ID?
Here basic ground is I am not a workman.
Yes.
I'm not.
He's
now-
not saying that you're not a workman. I think what he's saying that under 2 capital A transfer is not.
I'm mainly on that.
Yes, I think this is what his submission, if I've understood the submission correctly.
Condition of service has been violated, for which I can invoke section 33, because the post.
Well, the matter will require hearing.
Yes.
My lord,
If that is the matter, then I can have it fixed on Tuesday, Thursday. I don't think any pleadings as such is required in this
It's a
matter.
question of law.
It's a question of law.
Yes, your lordship.
So I'll
will
have it
fix
fixed then. The entire question is that, because your ground of challenge in the writ petition is that 2A does not have transfer. So
Right.
it is outside jurisdiction. Mr. Chaudhary is saying no, it is.
33.
Mr. Chaudhary says that 2A may be. He doesn't go on 2A, but then there are other provisions also under which he has approached the labor code, which under which he can. This is what his case appears to be.
what happened
Isn't it,
here?
Mr. Chaudhary?
Yes.
Section
Because my
30
33, because my condition of service has been violated.
has been violated.
Now,
So we'll have it.
your lordship will only look at the transfer order has been stayed, whether he has that jurisdiction. We are on that mill.
All right, we'll have it for hearing then.
Yes.
Heard Mr. Do we take the main? Shall I pass the order in the main
Better
case?
not say pass order in the main case.
Give the main case. Heard Mr. S. Datta, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by MS S. Mushari, na? Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by R. Kakuti, respondent for all respondents. For respondent number 2. And for one,
One is for presiding officer of level 4.
not required. As counsels, as both the learned senior counsels agree that the pending IA as well as the present writ petition can be taken up for final disposal, the case is directed to be reposted on such and such date for making an endeavor for finally disposing the entire case on merits.
Can it be on 22nd?
Yes, sir, the consent date.
22nd is day after tomorrow. Could it be on 5th of February, Miller?
My lord, it's unnecessarily, my lord, because
The question
now
of unnecessary, there is so
Mr.
many
Counsels, please keep these things outside the court. You give me a consent
5th of
date, I'm
February,
giving it.
for me.
2nd February.
2nd February.
I'm not there, Miller. In that case, let it be 29th of January. Miller.
All right, 29 January. Mr. Datta,
Just a minute.
29 or 5th?
29th will be better.
Okay.
But interim order will continue till
Interim order shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Okay.
This case otherwise is not admitted, right?
No.
So that's why I said final disposal.
Yes, at the admission stage.
At the admission stage would be a good one.
47 and 48.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar?
Well, service is complete.
Service is complete. Yes, Mr. Dhar? As prayed for by Mr. R. Dhar, you're appearing as what? Additional senior government advocate, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to file return in the matter.
Date because the petitioner is due to retire in May. I'm grateful.
Give the name of Mr. R. K. Talukdar for petitioner.
Get up. That video, man.
Yes.
That being item number 36.
Yes, 36. I think there was no representation on behalf of the respondent, no?
On this, my lord.
Who is appearing?
Dinar.
Yes, but now that Anthony has also disappeared. Huh? But where is Anthony? He's also disappeared. Anyway, I'm having it refixed on another date. Heard Mr.
JP Chauhan.
JP Chauhan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. This contempt, both have come. Yes, Mr. Nath. Complied, not complied.
Well, in item number 36, Lordship has directed us to obtain some instruction. The last order, Lordship will see, but the instruction from the Deputy Commissioner says that there was no vacancy. The petitioner petitioner has placed note that there were some vacancies. So the lordship has directed us to verify. From the deputy commissioner, one of my learned friend has obtained some instruction because my learned friend is appearing for the DC.
Yes,
Some instruction has been received from the deputy commissioner. Lord.
yes. What are those instructions? Have you seen, Mr. Nath?
But I have not gone through it.
Yes, Ms. Fukan, what are these instructions? Why are you not filing these instructions? It came on 17 Jan.
Already I have filed affidavit.
And these instructions are
Not filed.
up to date.
Yes.
So you file it then.
My lord, this is quantum matter last pending 6 years, my lord. Direction was to comply within period of 3 months. Despite of 3 months.
Where is the operating part of the order?
Yes, my lord. Start from page 27, my lord, contribution, my lord. 27. 28 to 29, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 28 and 29, my lord. The present application relates to appointment of the petitioner under the die-in-harness scheme. The present application has been filed by the petitioner challenging the decision of DLC in rejecting the application of the petitioner on the ground of lack of vacancy in its meeting held on 4/10/2018. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that authority had not undertaken any exercise as contemplated under paragraph number 15 of the OM dated 1/6/15.
The only thing is to be done is to place the matter before the concerned DLC. For reconsideration of the application. That is still not been done. Under the scheme by examining the availability of vacancy in other departments as provided. So what is the hurdle? Why it has not been done? This order is of 28/6/2019.
19, my lord.
Where the entire decisions of the apex court on compassionate appointment, Mr. Nath, you're fully aware. Ms. Fukan, you're also aware about it. By not doing this, you're actually frustrating the entire compassionate appointment schemes. Since 2019, I do not understand what is this DC doing.
But the instructions today my learned friend has placed, it indicates that DLC meeting has been held on many dates, Lord. Lordship may keep it, my lord. I have just got the
I am not,
Lord.
this is something very strange. 2019, a positive direction has been given.
Lord.
You may reject it. That is your prerogative.
It was,
By recording reasons.
it was placed.
But how can you not do the exercise?
No, it was placed on many occasions.
But what had happened?
My lord, it could not be recommended. They said that it could not be recommended.
So
because of
then you
lack of-
place all this by way of an affidavit.
True.
Because you see, if it is not recommended, why not recommended cannot be gone into in this contempt case.
My lord.
But the fact whether the exercise that has been directed has been done or not, this is exactly what the contempt case, in the contempt case, this court is going to adjudicate.
True. My lord,
The matter of 2019, we are in 2026.
affidavit has been
Your
filed.
affidavits are also piecemeal manner. Ms. Fukan has already filed 2 affidavits. An up-to-date instruction is also there. Still nothing is clear. The instructions which this court had directed Mr. Nath, you don't even have that also completely today.
But from the deputy commissioner, the instruction has.
No, but
Let it
you
come
take
on-
it up seriously.
Let it come on affidavit.
Thursday.
My lord.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. It appears that the order of page 27, na? The order of this court dated 28/6/2019 passed in WPC 4477 of 2019, whereby the respondent stroke contemners were directed to place the matter before the concerned DLC for reconsideration of the application of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground under the scheme by examining the availability of vacancy in other departments as provided under para 15 of the OM dated 1/6/2015 is yet to be complied. The affidavits filed before this court does not clearly indicate the position, the position. MSK Fukan, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent contemner number 3 and 5, places an instruction received on 17/1/2026 after filing the first two affidavits in the matter, which indicates that on various dates the matter of the that the case of the petitioner has been placed before the DLC. Mr. D. Nutt, however, does not have the instructions as called by this court on 2016/12/2025.
I'm for the respondent number 1, he's the Commissioner Secretary of the PWD Department.
So, but you don't have it.
I don't have.
So I'm only saying that
DLC
let proper instructions be positively placed before this court on such and such date, failing which the erring respondent contemner shall be present in person before this court. Ms. So-and-so Fukan shall also shall also place the instruction received by way of an affidavit by the next date of listing.
1/8.
Then not this Thursday, give the date of next Thursday.
Next. Lordship. Lordship.
Item number 40.
Instead of 29, can it be 28, my lord?
Mr. Nath, 28.
28.
Instead of 29th January, can it be on 28th?
28.
28.
Lordship, I'll
28.
Lordship.
Mr. Anthony, inform the other council. Yes.
I'm extremely sorry when the matter first called up.
No problem, Mr. Das.
But this is basically an IA file in pursuance to the order passed by this honorable court for initiating this proceeding under 195 and section 340 CRPC. Issue is with regard to
What
filing.
is the IA for?
You know, this is basically what happened. The honorable court found during the course of the hearing that an affidavit, paragraph has been written in the affidavit which contained information which were false. Writ petition was disposed of, and this honorable court directed to register a separate IA, giving opportunity to the respondent as to why a proceeding under 195 read with 340 CRPC should not be initiated.
Perjury.
Perjury. Basically, that is the issue. And for that purpose, the honorable court.
But what is happening in the IA?
IA
No affidavit in reply has been received till by the section till date.
What should we find?
Huh?
We find it.
No, but the last, the order says no affidavit in reply. This is of 6/12/2025.
Let me check out lots of it with my clerk.
You verify. I'll have it. It appears from the office note dated 6/12/2025 that no affidavit in reply, no affidavit in reply.
Reply is not required.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am. They have filed their affidavit in opposition.
So then we'll have it fixed when?
Any date convenient
For what?
for deciding.
This is today, it has come for orders, no?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Now, basically, your lordship has to consider the reply submitted.
So I'll have it posted for admission.
Yes.
This matter needs, but it's an IA.
IA, it will come for orders, my lord. Let it remain for orders, lordship.
Alright, we will have
give
it
up
on
some
another
other
day.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. H.K. Das, Learned Standing Council, GAC, for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Chakraborty, Learned Council, appearing for respondent number
So this.
for the sole respondent. It appears that the counter affidavit has been filed by the respondent on 10/11/2025. Mr. H.K. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing for the GAC, submits that no reply shall be filed against the aforesaid counter affidavit. Relist on such and such date for consideration of the prayers made in the IA.
Fine, fine.
Lordship, a small prayer, your lordship. Lordship, today morning I made a mention in item number 52 Lordship, I have mistakenly made a wrong submission that I want to withdraw the writ petition. Lordship, what actually has happened was, the writ petition has expired and the writ petition has become infractious.
Infractious.
Yes, your Lordship, so in the order.
All right, you be here at 2 o'clock. You be here at 2 o'clock and itu junior order to Luista, to order to Anailobo or file to Matailobo. Be here at 2 o'clock.
hearing আছে আৰু এইটো
তুমি ক্লাস 11 অর আর্টস কোন লস পয়সাটো দি দিম কত লিখি দিছো আর্টস 11 অর হ্যাঁ সায়েন্স ফর্ম কি আর্টস ফর্ম হ্যাঁ কই দি আছো তোমার লস ফর্ম
Kalpana.
Item 54.
Yes, Ms. Chaudhary.
My lord, here we have challenged this into an executive order, my lord, dated 30/8/2025, on the ground that this an executive order cannot override or supersede judicial order. There is a judicial order also. I have annexed annexure A to a page 25 to 28.
So you are challenging an executive order.
Yes, my lord.
And what is the ground of challenge?
Ground of challenge is, your lordship may kindly.
This is the compassionate appointment?
Yes, my lord.
When was, who died?
The petitioner's father died there.
Father.
6 numbers of petitioners.
There are number of petitioners and they have
Petitioners.
their, filing a common case, Lord.
My lord, my lord,
Miss Bhattacharya, let Miss Chaudhary first submit. Father died.
died, my lord.
When?
My lord, here, yes, my lord. Here, my lord, I have only, my lord, mentioned the dates of DLC at page 7. In
Miss
23.
Chaudhary, when did the father die?
My lord,
Compassionate appointment,
ma'am.
and you don't even know when the father died.
my lord, these are reflected in the orders, my lord.
I am not, Miss Chaudhary,
Yes,
now you want this court to look into the orders and find it for itself, the date on which the petitioner's father died in a case where the petitioner is claiming compassionate appointment. Please don't take the judicial time of the court granted like this, Miss Chaudhary. You are a very esteemed member of the bar, not expected from you, Miss Chaudhary.
My lord,
These are the dates which should be there available.
dates are available in the DLC, my lord. Here, I have not stated in my petition.
Some other day. Yes, please have all the figures ready. When do you want it?
My lord, on Thursday, my lord.
Thursday. But have the dates, have your notes ready. Yes, next.
With a advance copy to us, Lordship.
Advance
That is,
copy of what?
These dates what.
Why you cannot prepare? The government councils cannot prepare on their own. Now you want the petitioner to give you the dates?
Will submit, but if the
Then?
date, yes, Lordship.
She's not filing a written argument, Ms. Bhattacharya.
Recommend the dates. For
That are already there. List of dates, she doesn't know it. She's not prepared today. I've asked her to keep it handy for her.
These are not there, Lordship, of all the petitioners that I am telling, Lordship.
So the date is not reflected in the pleadings.
No, that not.
Miss
Not even the body of the petition.
Miss Chaudhary, if that is so, then you please look into it, because if the date is not available in the body of the petition, you are calling for trouble. I'm telling you, it's a compassionate appointment case. We should know when these people, respective persons have died, on the basis of which they are seeking for compassionate appointment. They should be reflected in the body. Your petition should be, there has to be some clarity in the petition.
My lord, it is.
You want, you can file an additional affidavit, but
I'll file an additional affidavit by reflecting the dates.
You
Because
give
the
it.
dates are otherwise reflected in the orders of
Miss
this honorable
Chaudhary, please don't make this court repeat the same thing. You cannot expect the court to now take out all these orders and find it for itself which date. These are the things which should be
court.
there in the
On
body of the
basis
petition.
These dates, I'll, my lord, prepare one note.
Yes, do that. Why are you unnecessarily,
Yes, my
Miss
lord,
Chaudhary?
dates are there, I'll prepare note.
I am sure I'm talking in a language you are familiar with. Why unnecessarily you are saying all this? When do you want it?
Thursday, my lord, I'll prepare
Okay.
note, my.
Thursday. With liberty to the petitioner to file additional affidavit if so advised. Bringing the, just tenegi koi dilla. Yes, next.
The 52. This problem.
Yes, by mistake you had said. No problem. Now what has happened actually? The petitioner in the meantime had expired
The petition has become infructuous.
on that ground. এইটো ৰাতিপুৱা কোনে টাইপ কৰিছিলে? তো প্ৰণৱক ক'লে এইটো টাইপ হেৰিটো এইটো এবাৰ তুমি চেক কৰি ল'বা। প্ৰণৱে এইটো টাইপ কৰিছিলে বাট ভুলতে উইথড্ৰ কৰিছিলে, সেইকাৰণে উইথড্ৰল অৰ্ডাৰ আছে আইটেম 52. Your name?
S. Sarkar.
Heard MS Sarkar, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of
ML Gope.
ML Gope, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. MS so-and-so submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, the sole petitioner, I, Shri Samiran Chamwa, had expired when? It's a Miss Counsels. It's very unexpected that you all are taking the court process, the judicial time of the court very, very, very lightly. You want this court, this petition to be closed because of the demise of the petitioner. You don't even know when the petitioner died. This court has to pass an order. If these small things are not given because they have some important, we don't know. If tomorrow someone comes and says, no, do you have the death certificate? Then you don't even know what the date. You see, your seniors will not give you all the informations. It is for you to apply your own mind and find out those information. You have to learn to ask questions to your seniors. You understand what I'm saying? It is for you because you are going to appear before the court. Your senior is not before this court today. Isn't it? So it is your responsibility to get hold of whatever you think may be necessary to address the court. Or if the court is asking a question, you have those answers. Just because your senior says go and say this doesn't mean you run and say that. Because you are now an officer of the court. The moment you have been enrolled in the bar, you are an officer of the court. So you have certain responsibilities also towards the court. Right? So next time, apply your own mind. What is your name again?
S. Sarkar.
Sarkar. Miss Sarkar, you followed what I'm saying?
Yes.
You give this date later on today. I will not sign till you don't give the expiry date. You provide it to the court master on such and such day. Anybody from the state of Assam, Mr. Also heard it, it was C.K. Borwa, government advocate for the state of Assam. Commissioner of Texas also you will appear? Anybody appears for Commissioner of Texas?
P. Nayak.
P. Nayak. P. Nayak for Commissioner of Texas. In view of the aforesaid endorsement, nothing survives for adjudication. Writ petition stands dismissed on being infructuous. But Ms. Sarkar, I shall not sign the order till you not give the date.
I'll provide it.
Item 43.
Yes, what is this?
Herein, your lordship, I am seeking your lordship 1 week's time for
1 week's time for what?
for issuing notice, your lordship.
For issuing notice?
Yes, notice has already been issued, but I have not, sir.
Huh?
I have not taken a step, your lordship.
Oh, you have not taken step.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. A.M. Khan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Yes, C.K. C. Barwa, C.K. Barwa,
Yes, sir.
C.K.S. Barwa, na?
Yes, it's CKS Bhavan.
C.K.S. Barwa for Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number 4, D. Gogoi.
Standing counsel PH minutes 5.
Okay, PHA. Mr. Khan, with profuse apology, seeks 2 weeks' time to take steps against respondent number.
All are official respondent here.
No, but who you want to take steps now?
In the last order, your lordship, A,
You want to take
the
steps,
final party, your lordship, it has.
Mr. Khan, the newly implemented respondent number 8. You have not taken steps till now to take steps against the newly implemented respondent number 8. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 2 weeks. None appears. Oh, you're there. No, you're not here. So how do I know? Yes.
I have prepared, drafted and prepared, my lord.
But this matter was heard at length.
Yes.
So should we go before that?
Yes, perhaps that
No.
would be, yes.
It appears that heard Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. MR Adhikari, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of
All the respondents.
appearing for respondent for all respondents, for all the respondents. It appears that this matter was heard at length by another coordinate bench on 8/1/2026, and parties were directed to submit respective written arguments. Today, when the matter is called, the respondent counsels, the learned counsels appearing for the parties have submitted that they have submitted their
Yes, prepared.
Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the written arguments are ready and he has submitted the same. So you submit it
Yes, my lord.
and he has submitted the same before the court. Mr. So-and-so submits that he may be given another chance for submitting the same. Since both the learned counsels appearing for the party submits that this matter was already heard at length by another coordinate bench, which is also reflected in the order dated 8/1/2026, let registry verify and list the matter before the appropriate bench. Relist on such and such date.
Obliged, my lord.
Mr. Gogoi, you give it.
Yes, yes, I'm just sending over. Oh,
Till then you submit
My lord, I'll-
and then registry will check.
my lord.
All right.